SPR.
To Sanford, East Orlando, and Harmony.
Are they gonna tone this?
A collision between these two boundaries is expected to occur from around Lake George to Lake Apopka.
Have they toned the SPR for like Brevard Orange and all that yet?
Rapid development of strong to potentially severe thunderstorms is expected as a result. Wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour. Hail ranging from Tucson to a little larger than this. Frequent lightning and torrential downpours of 1 to 3 inches will be possible.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Seminole County in east central Florida, northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Avalon Park to Biffle to near Geneva, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, entry. Orlando, Titusville, Oviedo, Wedgefield, and Avalon Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.